Jake, I just discovered something that's revolutionizing how I learn English. ChatGPT isn't just for answering questions.
Oh, I've been using it for English learning for months. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7.
Exactly. Today we're sharing 7 ChatGPT prompts that will transform your English learning. These are game changers.
And the best part? ChatGPT is free. You're getting expert-level help without spending $1.
Let's start with prompt number 1, the conversation partner prompt. Here's what you say. Act as my English conversation partner. Ask me questions about my day. Correct my grammar gently and help me expand my vocabulary. Keep responses conversational and natural.
Then you just chat. ChatGPT asks you questions. You respond, it corrects mistakes and suggests better ways to express yourself.
I do this for 10 minutes every morning. It's like speaking with a patient friend who never judges.
Prompt number 2, the writing coach prompt. Say, review my writing for grammar, clarity, and professionalism. Suggest improvements and explain why each change is better. Rate my writing from 1 to 10.
Then paste any email, essay, or message you wrote. ChatGPT gives detailed feedback.
I used this on a job application email. ChatGPT showed me how to make it more professional, confident, and clear. I got the job.
The explanations help you understand why something is better, so you learn patterns, not just corrections.
Prompt 3, the vocabulary builder. Say, teach me 5 advanced English words related to topic. Give definitions, example sentences, and explain when to use each word. Then, quiz me.
Replace topic with whatever you're interested in. Business, technology, cooking, anything.
This targets vocabulary to your actual interests, which makes it stick better than random word lists.
And the quiz at the end tests if you actually understood. Prompt 4, the accent and pronunciation helper.
Say, explain how to pronounce difficult English sounds like TH, R, and V. Give practice sentences and tips for making these sounds correctly.
ChatGPT can't hear you, but it gives amazing written explanations of mouth position and tongue placement.
I learned about the TH sound. Your tongue goes between your teeth. I'd have been doing it wrong for years.
You can also ask for tongue twisters to practice specific sounds. Give me tongue twisters for practicing the R sound.
Prompt 5, the idiom and slang explainer. This is crucial for understanding real American English.
Say, explain this idiom phrase. Give its meaning, origin, if possible, and 3 example sentences showing how Americans use it naturally.
For example, piece of cake. ChatGPT explains it means very easy, shows example sentences, and might mention the origin.
You can also ask, what are 10 common American slang terms young people use? And learn current, relevant language.
This helps you sound natural, not like a textbook. Prompt 6, the grammar confusion solver.
We all have grammar points that confuse us. Say, I'm confused about grammar topic. Explain it simply with clear examples and a way to remember the rule.
Like, explain the difference between used to and would for past habits with examples and a memory trick.
ChatGPT gives clear explanations without the overwhelming terminology that textbooks use.
And you can ask follow-up questions until you truly understand. It's patient and never gets frustrated.
ChatGPT 7, the professional email writer. This one's powerful for work.
Say, help me write a professional email to person about topic. Make it polite, clear, and appropriate for business, then explain any formal phrases you used.
For example, help me write an email to a potential client introducing my services.
ChatGPT drafts the email and teaches you the professional phrases and structure to use in future emails.
I've learned so much business English from this. Now, let's talk about advanced techniques.
Technique 1, role play scenarios. Say, let's role play. You're a hiring manager. I'm interviewing for a marketing position. Interview me and give feedback on my answers.
Then you type your interview responses and ChatGPT plays the interviewer, asks follow-ups, and gives constructive feedback.
This is incredible practice for job interviews, networking conversations, or any high-stakes English situation.
Technique 2, error pattern analysis. Say, here are 5 emails I wrote. Identify patterns in my errors and create a personalized improvement plan.
Paste multiple examples of your writing, and ChatGPT spots recurring mistakes you might not notice.
It might say, "You frequently confuse there, and there. Here's a strategy to remember the difference."
Personalized feedback based on your specific weaknesses. Technique 3, creative writing practice.
Say, "Give me a creative writing prompt. I'll write a short story. Then you critique my storytelling, grammar, and vocabulary."
This makes English practice fun. You're not just doing exercises, you're creating stories.
And ChatGPT evaluates both the English quality and the creative quality, giving comprehensive feedback.
Now let's discuss some limitations and how to work around them.
Limitation 1. ChatGPT can occasionally make mistakes or give outdated information. Always verify important facts.
Use it for language learning and practice, but for critical professional documents, still have a human review.
Limitation 2. It can't hear you speak or correct pronunciation in real time.
For pronunciation, use ChatGPT to learn the theory, then record yourself and compare to native speakers on YouTube.
Or combine ChatGPT learning with speaking apps like Elsa Speak that do listen to pronunciation.
Limitation 3. It tends to be formal. If you want to learn casual conversational English, you must specifically ask for that.
Say, "Explain this in casual American English, like talking to a friend, to get more natural language."
Let's share our personal ChatGPT learning routine.
Every morning, I have a 5-minute conversation with ChatGPT about random topics. This activates my English brain.
I use it to review any writing before sending. Emails, social media posts, even text messages if they're important.
When I encounter a word or phrase I don't understand, I immediately ask ChatGPT to explain it with examples.
I create weekly vocabulary lists about topics I'm interested in. This week, I'm learning medical vocabulary. Next week, business finance terms.
And I use the role play feature to practice difficult conversations before they happen, like negotiating with clients or asking for payment.
The confidence boost from practicing with AI before the real conversation is huge.
Now, let's create a 7-day ChatGPT learning challenge for everyone watching.
Day 1. Have your first 10-minute conversation with ChatGPT. Just chat about your day, your interests, anything.
Day 2. Write something in English and ask ChatGPT to review it. Learn from the feedback.
Day 3. Ask ChatGPT to teach you 5 new words about a topic you love. Create sentences using those words.
Day 4. Use the role play feature. Practice a scenario you find challenging, maybe ordering at a restaurant or asking for directions.
Day 5. Ask ChatGPT to explain a grammar point you've always found confusing. Ask follow-up questions until it's clear.
Day 6. Request 10 common idioms or slang terms. Use each one in a sentence to practice.
Day 7. Reflect on what you learned this week. Ask ChatGPT to create a personalized learning plan for next week based on your goals.
This 7-day challenge will show you how powerful this tool is for language learning.
Let's address the concern. Will using AI make my English worse? Am I cheating?
Great question. Using AI isn't cheating. It's smart learning. You're still doing the work of thinking, writing, and speaking.
AI is a tool like a dictionary or grammar book, just way more interactive and helpful. You're not copying AI's answers, you're learning from its explanations.
And honestly, using advanced tools shows intelligence and resourcefulness, exactly the skills employers want.
Another concern, what if I become dependent on AI and can't function without it?
Balance is key. Use ChatGPT for learning and practice, but also have real conversations with humans, consume authentic content, and practice in real situations.
Think of ChatGPT as your practice partner, not your only partner. It's perfect for preparing before real interactions.
Let's share some pro tips we've discovered.
Pro tip 1, be specific in your prompts. Don't say, help me with English. Say, help me write a formal business email introducing myself to a potential client.
The more specific your request, the better ChatGPT's response.
Pro tip 2, ask ChatGPT to explain things at your level. Say, explain this in simple English, or use simple words.
This prevents getting overwhelmed with vocabulary or concepts above your current level.
Pro tip 3, save good prompts. When you find a prompt that gives great results, save it in a document for repeated use.
I have a collection of 20 plus prompts I use regularly. This saves time and ensures consistent quality feedback.
Pro tip 4. Use ChatGPT to create study materials. Ask it to create a quiz testing these 20 vocabulary words, or make flashcards for these idioms.
It generates practice materials customized to exactly what you're learning.
Final thoughts. ChatGPT is the most powerful free English learning tool available right now.
If you're not using it, you're making English learning harder than it needs to be. It's like having a tutor, editor, conversation partner, and teacher combined.
And it's available 24/7, never gets tired, never judges, and never charges you.
The future of language learning is here. Take advantage of it.
All right, everyone, your homework. Have your first conversation with ChatGPT today. Use the conversation partner prompt we shared.
Comment below what you learned or what surprised you.